Hey everybody, well, we probably failed to update you, but we're busy doing a bunch of touch-up paint today, and we're painting the rims just like we said we would. It's gonna be a minute, but it's turning out really nice. I'm gonna just take you for a quick walk around and let you check it out. Hope you like it. Now this is about as redneck as it can get. We're painting them right on the truck. But we were very careful. We tape it all off, get it down in the creases so it doesn't bleed over onto the tire. But I don't have the ability to take them and have the tires removed just to paint the rim. So that's how we're doing it. And as you can see, so far, so good. They're turning out really nice. We also went in and touched up all of that and along that edge there, because there was a bunch of marks there. So we cleaned that all up. That tailgate's looking nice. And there's the other wheels. Doing all those. So, yeah. All right, here we go. Now we'll pull that plastic off and see how this thing turns out. We got the rims done. They look great. And we're about to tackle that rear bumper and the bumper on the 67. They're gonna be painted bright silver. So we gotta scrub them down a little bit and then we're gonna hit them. So I'm gonna take you through and let you see the finished product on the wheels first. Then we're gonna do the bumpers. I'll bring you right back. You know, that paint that we bought was just a Walmart Rust-Oleum brand. My wife found a off-white that seemed to match really close to the white that's on that side of the truck. So she picked up a few cans of that. We took our chances and I think it turned out amazing. I'm going to take you in for a close-up, and we still have to put the hubcaps on it, but we're going to let those rims kind of cure for maybe a day or two before we try and get those hubcaps pushed onto them. It's gonna scratch them up anyway, no matter how you look at it, but look how good that thing's looking. Man, that looks good. Which, by the way, we also touched up all the little nicks on the side. Again, it's a 20-footer. You get up close, you're gonna see the blemishes, but wow, look at that. That thing looks great. Take you in for a close look. You can see how good that looks. Yeah. Now remember, that rust that was on that rear fender and down there is gone. We've already hit that. I might even do another coat of paint on that, but it looks pretty good right now. And when we do a final wet sand really lightly, because we've already wet sanded it, we'll do a final wet sand and just kind of clean it up. It's going to blend that in so nicely. So the next project, as I said, we're going to do this bumper. And it's kind of a bright silver. We're gonna get rid of all those marks on it. We're gonna scrub it down a little bit, and then we're gonna paint it so it's nice and bright silver. But again, you can see that looks good. And you can see all the marks on the white are gone. That touch-up paint matches so perfectly. There's that rim. Turned out really nice. There you go, guys. All right, there it is. Nice bright silver. Turned out really nice, actually. Pretty impressed with that. My wife picked that up at Walmart. And it looks good. Just had to clean the bumper up really good and get that paint laid down. All right, gonna let you guys get a look at it with everything removed, and now she's all done. That bumper turned out real nice, cleaned up good, and that paint looks nice on there too, so definitely an improvement. Okay, that is it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.